Currently on our way to the airport. Abby's going to DR. She don't want to say it. Area.
I'm gonna miss you. I feel very emotional right now because I've never been away from you this long period of time.
Bye. Bye, Stacy.
We fell out of love like shooting stars came crashing down, and we're building back up again now. I see your heart, see your mind, see all you hide. I won't let you go.
I'm gonna print you up a boarding pass. You have to worry about your phone.
This I have to keep with me too?
Right.
And that bag is going to Las Vegas, correct?
That's what it says, yeah.
Alright, cool. I'm like super early. As I said in one of my previous videos, that I am going to Vegas. Abby's going to DR. And our planes leave at the same time. But hers leave at 5. Mine leave at 5:45. And it is currently 3:50. Oh, that's nice. Right there is one of the best water fountains they should have in some high school.
Right beside you. I see your heart, see your mind, see all you hide. I won't let you go, can't let this fall. When you lose yourself, I'll be right beside you.
Just boarded the plane. The benefit of sitting next to a window is you get 2 armrests. This one and this one.
And trim will demonstrate safety features off this aircraft. You can.
Bye, thank you.
I'm having a bit of a struggle because I'm trying to call Chris to come pick me up and he don't want to answer. See? And I clearly told him 8:30 and it's 8:30 p.m. and he's like not even there. So crazy, I don't even know where his house is at. I can't even take a taxi there. So I got Chris on the phone. He's on his way. This whole time he was sleeping and I've been here since like 8:08 and it's 8:37. What's good, man? You look tired. Yes. Okay, let's go. Time to go use the bathroom. Nice car, by the way.
Thank you.
Major upgrade. Oh, shit.
Major key.
What?
I mean, she screamed at me like, "That's all you care about?" Why? I didn't even know what happened. I'm like, "What the fuck?" God damn. And I'm asking him, "Yo, did something happen when she got her blowjob?" Tell me, let me know. I'm like, "What the fuck?" It was crazy, son. So he went inside the room. Go with her.
Yeah.
Like, he calls me and he's like, "Turn off the light."
Hey, what's up, Peep Squad? I am growing my beard. But anyway, what's up, Peep Squad? I know the video was pretty short, but I'm currently in Vegas, as you all know. I'm by my friend Chris. I pretty much grew up with him because we lived in New York together. He decided to come out to Vegas, and this is where he currently lives. So I am by his place. So yeah, and give this video a big thumbs up if you watch all the way to the end, and come back for tomorrow's episode, which will be uploaded tomorrow, but it was gonna be filmed today. So yeah, my eyes is pretty much hurting. So yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you watch all the way to the end, like I said. And thanks for all the support. Love you guys, and see you on the flip side. Deuces.
I don't know where I am, but if you slide